In this episode, I will show you how you can link to a specific heading in your Google document. So in this document now, let's say I want to reference or I want to link this core principles of productivity, which is heading 2. I want to be able to like go back to it from any point in the entire document. So let's say I want to link it to can review it, right? Which is the last, you know, the last heading or the penultimate heading here under collaboration and feedback. Great ideas require teamwork. We encourage everyone to leave their thoughts on this draft. So I just want to like link it to team can review it. So the next thing you want to do is to determine where you want to actually link the heading that you want to link. In our case, I want to link core principles of productivity. Then I've decided that I want to actually link it on can review it or team can review it. So the next thing you want to do is to highlight that text or body of text. Then click on Control plus K. If you're using Mac, that will be Command plus K. For Windows, it is Control plus K. Then this modal would pop up. The next thing you want to do is to go to Headings, Bookmark tab. You click on it. Then it will take to show all the available headings in the document. So, like you said, I want to link the first heading, right? Which is the core principles of productivity. So all I need to do is to just click on it like this, and boom. So if I now hover on it like this to show the first heading. So if I now click on it, definitely it will take me to that first heading, right? That's it. So this is basically how you link headings in your Google document. So let's change the headings, right? That we link. You can just click on edit link and we can go to heading bookmarks and tab. We can change it to, let's say, essential resources, right? And if we hover on it to take us to essential resources, if we click on it, right? Basically, it just navigates to essential resources. So this is how you can actually link the headings in your Google document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.